So I've just left my good friend and brother-in-law over there. I've come out on my normal touring bike, as you can see, and you've got his opinion on e-bike kits and how it's changed his life as well. This is what this video is about. So this is my my brother-in-law Ryan, and he's got a he's not a non-cyclist, and he's going to talk you through his bicycle kit. So as a non-cyclist, how has it changed your life?
I wish you wouldn't keep saying non-cyclist.
Okay, so as a semi,
I used to ride quite a lot, but I just found that the hills were killing me. It lead to sciatica, and I just end up feeling sulky about going out on my bike. But now, every time I'm out on it, it's just good fun, and it's really made a difference. I've done, like I say, 323 miles on this, and I don't think I would have done anything on my other bike if I'd have just been out on my normal bike. So it's enabled me to get out in fresh air and just have some good fun. You don't worry about the hills or the distances.
So instead of the term non-cyclist, what would you prefer me to use?
I'm a recyclist.
Recyclist, I like that one. I like that one.
So yeah, did used to like riding a lot, but then got fed up with it, and the hills around here were proving to just be limiting me. And now I'll go on anything. Right, well, the bike actually is an orange P7. It's my old bike, and it was quite a rusty nickel coated one. I've had it powder coated for 60 quid for the frame and 40 powder coated, and fit a lot of my old gear to it, and then decided that I was going to try out this Bafang motor. It's the mid-drive motor. It's a very smooth system, and it's got an 11 amp hour battery, and then it's got the display here on the front. If I just switch it on, that gives me all my information. And since I've had it, I've done 323 miles, most of it on level 5, which is rather quick, but today I'm using mainly level 1 just to see how much I can get out of the battery, and rather than limit myself to an hour or so, I'm hoping to do about 2 hours.
And as a non-cyclist, it's enabled Ryan to come and ride with myself on my bicycle up in this beautiful scenery.